Today is a special day because today is the day that I'm going to propose to my girlfriend of 9 years. She's been waiting for this moment for so long, and honestly, so have I. It's just been so hard to find the right moment and the right periods in our lives where this just makes sense. And I've got her ring right here. And I've got a whole day planned for her, a whole afternoon, and it's gonna be a surprise. She's waiting for me downstairs. But I'm really excited for this, and hopefully the culmination will be this right here. I'm gonna show you later. I told Alba I had prepared a surprise day to celebrate our 9th anniversary, but she had no idea what it was. She, however, made a list of things on her phone she thought I was gonna surprise her with.
To all of the things I wrote, I know because they are that way. So.
You know where we are?
Yes, we're at the mall.
Yes. Does that give you a better hint?
No.
Not at all.
Marina Mall. Very familiar with this place because when we lived in the marina we come here all the time. I just don't know what we're doing here. Is it a shopping spree?
It's definitely not a shopping spree.
Damn. Ooh, are we gonna ride one of those?
I wish we are not going to be riding one of those, but we will be riding one of those.
Wait, we're going on a boat?
So you have to go to those gentlemen and say you have a booking
I
for
don't
5
have
p.m.
a booking. You have a booking.
Well, you do now.
What? This is so cool.
There?
Oh my god, this is so cool. I didn't expect this. How did you come up with this?
I'm just a very creative person.
Is that what you're carrying in the bag? You're carrying like a towel.
Absolutely. I was not carrying a towel. I was carrying a ring.
This was not on my list. It was not on the list. I failed. Okay, I wrote like 7 things and I was wrong in all of them.
Let's have a look. Let's have a look at what you wrote. Ballsy. Okay, she was onto something. But the plan had to keep going. We were picked up by the crew who took us to our boat. And this is when she realized we were taking a private boat.
We're going alone on this boat. What the hell? This is such a good surprise. I'm so excited.
Today's, a special day. We're celebrating our 9th anniversary. And so I got us this private boat.
Thank you.
And we're gonna go out into the water.
This is so... I'm like shocked. This is so like out of character.
What do you mean?
I am in absolute shock that we are here, that he booked this for us, like alone. Thank you very much.
I don't think you should be that in shock. Like I do stuff for you often.
Yeah, not like this. Not like this.
Alba started chatting away to the camera, thinking this was a normal vlog, but it was not. While navigating the coast of Dubai, we had time to reminisce about our happiest memories, from the time we met almost 10 years ago as students to now. The moment I had been planning for so long was just around the corner. My plan had always been to park the boat in front of the Burj Al Arab and propose there. And this is how it went. You look gorgeous. I love you. We're engaged. It's my fiance. No better way to do it.
Thank you so much.
Now we enjoy the sunset. You're engaged?
I wanna like scream.
Scream, Alba, scream.
Woo!
My fiance.
So young.
Gorgeous fiance. The most gorgeous.
Engaged in Dubai, huh?
Yeah. That's how, the only way I know how to. My third engagement now, all in Dubai. It's now a new day for us. A new time.
The boat journey is coming to an end. It was better than I could have expected.
But our lives together is not coming to an
Are
end.
about to start. Well, I mean, we have been together for almost 10 years, so
Yeah, there's that.
there's that.
So now the experience is finished, but not quite, because we have dinner. We have dinner.
She booked a place, apparently.
I did book a place. I'm a responsible person.
Wow.
I plan my things.
I feel so spoiled.
I'm a dedicated fiance.
I'm a princess. A fiance. That's my fiance. I don't know what to say. Thank you, baby. So well organized.
Feeding my fiance for the first time.
Oh my god.
It's pineapple. Today I've got a free pass. Alba hates pineapple with her life, but today I feel like I've got a free pass because, well, I proposed. So how does it feel? You tried pineapple for the first
I
time?
hate you, but I cannot be upset at you, but that was disgusting.
I went back home with an immense feeling of gratitude. It's crazy to think about all the adventures we've experienced together around the world, and how at the same time, this is just the beginning of our story, and I couldn't be more excited. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in our next video.